How to unsee stories on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Facebook application. So there are two different ways you can do this. First is you'll have to watch that story without tapping on the story and just watching it from the home page. The other option is once you watch the story of that person, what you will have to do is simply block them, and then they will not know that you viewed their story. So these are the two different methods that you can follow. So yeah, that's it. As you can see, I have watched this person's story. Now in order to unsee it, tap on its profile icon and then simply tap on the block them, and they will never know that you viewed their story. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.